Price of XRP reached a new all-time high in the second quarter. And for it is very important for the people who are interested in XRP or who already have XRP tokens to keep up with the latest news. Find out about the latest XRP news and how it might affect the value of the coin. I'll answer these questions and give you important information that could have a positive effect on actual prices in today's video. I did a lot of research for this video, so make sure you watch it all the way through to get the most out of it. In a Math Market Welcome, this is where you can find the latest news in the crypto world every day. Make sure you subscribe to get the latest news and predictions about XRP and stay ahead in the crypto world. Don't forget to click like and post notifications to get more crypto news. Before we get into our first topic, let's look at the chart and see how XRP appeared on January 23rd. Should be right away. And we give away 50 XRP every day. And just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with a hash XRP is king. Good luck. The price of XRP right now is 50 cents and $1. 3 cents billion worth of it changes hands every 24 hours. And the price of XRP has dropped 11.6 in the last week and 3.9 the last 24 hours. There are 100 billion XRP coins in circulation, with 48 billion already in circulation. Now, it's possible that these prices will have changed by the time you watch this video. Also, this is not financial advice, and investing in the crypto market is risky. So please do your own research before you do it. Us.Thankx, eToro, and GateHub are 3 of the busiest exchange sites for buying and selling XRP. Let's not waste any more time and watch the video now. XRP lawsuit. Ripple is fighting the sneaky actions after the complaint. Concerns have been raised that the SEC is trying to avoid a full legal process by asking for a summary judgment on whether Ripple sales of XRP after the complaint are investment contracts. This is instead of starting a full legal proceeding to answer the question. The high-stakes court case between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has taken a new turn. Classic, Ripple has fought back hard against what it sees as these overbearing and unfair demands. In a brave move, Ripple has strongly rejected the SEC's demand for detailed financial documents and contracts related to XRP sales after the complaint. Some people at Ripple say the SEC missed the boat. The response from Ripple is a clear protest against what they see as the SEC's rude and late search for information. And there are 2 main points to Ripple's case. The US SEC missed the boat by not asking for this information during the discovery period. Now, in a last-ditch effort, they are asking for data that Ripple says has nothing to do with the remedies phase of the case. The SEC wants Ripple to show them audited financial statements for 2022 and 2023, as well as all contracts made after the complaint for selling or transferring XRP to people who are not employees. And answer a question about how much money the XRP institutional sales received after the complaint was filed for certain contracts. Ripple doesn't agree with these requests for 2 main reasons. First, they come at the wrong time. Second, the SEC hasn't given a good reason for any of its requests. And they don't matter. The letter said the information the SEC wants has nothing to do with the court's options. Apple says the SEC is trying to get around the process. Concerns have been raised that the SEC is trying to avoid a full legal process by asking for a summary judgment on whether Ripple sales of XRP after the complaint are investment contracts. This is instead of starting a full legal proceeding to answer the question. Ripple says that this approach would unfairly speed up the process and might not give them the protections that are usually given in a legal proceeding. Ripple says that this would create an arduous and prolonged process similar to a second full-on lawsuit, which would cause needless delays and make the case more difficult for no good reason. It looks like the SEC wants the court to make a quick decision about whether Ripple sales after the complaint are investment contracts instead of having a full trial to decide that question. The letter said, Ripple is not going to fight fines. Apple questions whether or not its current financial situation should be taken into account when deciding what penalties the court should give. The business makes it clear that it is not saying it can't pay any possible fines. And this means that the company's current financial situation shouldn't affect the decision about how much of a fine to give. If Ripple has their say, the court should decide based on the behavior in question, not on how much of a punishment the court should give. Even though Ripple is having money problems right now, it is not saying it can't pay and won't try to get the penalty amount lowered. And the defendant said that. And the SEC sued Ripple in December 2020 and said they were offering unregistered digital asset securities. This lawsuit was a response to that lawsuit. But in July 2023, Judge Torres said that Ripple's automatic sales of XRP were not investment contracts. This is a big win for Ripple. Guessing this important decision, Ripple is now seen as a David battling the Goliath of a regulatory overreach. As the case nears a jury trial in the second quarter of 2024, all eyes are on whether Ripple executives helped sell securities that weren't registered with the government. This isn't just a test for Ripple. It's a fight that could set the standard for the whole crypto business. Recent pushback by Ripple is more than just a legal move. And it's a protest against crypto regulations that go too far and a call for clear and fair crypto regulations. The SEC's latest move and Ripple's bold response are the latest events in this ongoing legal drama. As the lawsuit's remedies phase gets underway. All eyes are on February 12, 2024, which is the last day for discovery related to remedies. It would be great if you could help the channel out by giving this video a like. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Let's not wait any longer. Watch the rest of the video. The price of XRP will reach a new all-time high in the second quarter. This is why, in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin's price fell below $40,000 for the first time since the beginning of 2024. At the same time, Ripple Labs-backed XRP continued to show short-term flaws. Based on the most recent data from the crypto market, in just 24 hours, the price of XRP dropped almost 3, putting it at around 52 cents on Tuesday. Because it can be used across borders, XRP has a lot of support from both institutional investors and individual traders. Despite this, XRP is facing huge problems because new crypto projects are focusing on cross-border payments and are not being watched by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Whales of XRP are selling a lot. Blessed XRP is getting close to the peak, which means that it will eventually break out. Captain Fabric, a well-known crypto analyst on the X platform, says that the price of XRP will find strong support around 48 cents before rising again to $2 in the second quarter of 2024. And it's more likely that the bullish breakout in the second quarter will happen if the SEC Ripple trial goes well for the blockchain payment company. I will start CRP contracts that last forever. And notably, the launch of SERP petrol contracts gives traders more options than just spot trading by letting them use leverage. Since perpetual contracts don't have an end date, traders can keep their positions open as long as they can cover their margin. As of this, Gemini traders can increase the size of their positions, which could mean that their gains or losses are bigger when they trade contracts on the Gemini derivatives platform. Gemini has confirmed, though, that the platform is not available in the UK or the US.